that family ready. Head coach of women's basketball, ladies and gentlemen, Tory Verdi.
I feel so humbled and feel great about the outcome, the people, the support. Just really excited about what's going on here at the University of Massachusetts.
I think we have a lot of talent on the team, and we have a lot of skills, and we just needed the right leader to really bring it together and make it solid.
Yeah, really excited about this hire and what it means for our women's basketball program, and to do it in a brand new building, the John F. Kennedy Champion Center, is representative of where we're going as a program, and under the leadership of Coach Verdi. I think we have tremendous opportunity to be successful and sustain that success over the long term.